Hey y'all, for this video I am going to be doing another unboxing that came from my Amazon wish list. Now this one's very special because this one was a birthday gift from my best friend, but a lot of y'all have been coming through for your girl on the Amazon wish list. And all of the products that are ordered, I am reviewing them right here with you. So for those of you that have been ordering items, thank you so much. For those of you who wish to order items for me to review here on the channel, all you have to do is click my Amazon wish list, which will be in the description. And there's nothing you need to do. Once you order the item will come straight to me. Now, unfortunately, I don't get to see the tracking information. So if you do order something, please just let me know so that I can be on the lookout for the item. But without any further ado, let's get right into this. So this is the 2-in-1 UV lamp. Now, this came from Amazon. Now, this was on my wish list because you guys, this year, I've even posted a video of like me saying, hey, all of my spa items this year, I no longer want to be spending so much money in the spa. I would rather do a lot of this stuff here myself. So with that being said, I said, you know what, let me put some stuff not only in my wish list, but also just ordering some items off of Amazon and a bunch of different sites to do this stuff at home, you guys. A lot of stuff we pay so much money for, and you can literally do it right here at home. Okay, so this is very much giving. I forgot the price point on this, but at the end of the day, I don't remember exactly how much it was. I know it was not over $50, but for this is a lot of stuff that comes in this kit, y'all. You could literally almost start a nail business with just this kit alone, okay? All you would need is some acrylic and whatever else you would need. So this 2-in-1 nail kit, I'm trying to see if it comes with like a warranty or anything like that. I'm not seeing anything to do with a warranty, but you never know. It also comes with the instruction manual. So as you can see, we have the UV lamp. It's very lightweight, so I'm questioning a little bit the quality because it's so lightweight. I don't know, like if you go to the spa, you know, when you go to the spa, they have the heavy duty ones, but this one is lightweight and it's for at-home use. So we're gonna try it out here in a moment. I'm gonna use one of these paints here shortly. I already had a drill, but it comes with a drill with all of the bits. So that's a major plus. This item alone is $20-$30 if you order it individually. And it looks like a professional grade drill. I already have one like this, and I think I paid like $15-$20. It was like at the bin store. I paid like $15-$20 for it. It comes with a nail brush, nice and firm there. Some toe separators, and of course, if you're going to be using this for yourself, you can reuse these. These are recyclable. And speaking of nails, I'm definitely going to be using this, but these are recyclable because they're for you. You know, it'd be different if you were using them on clients. I kind of went through this earlier. It comes with several, not just 1, 2, 3. I think it's like 3 or 4 of these heavy duty nail files. But it also comes with a cuticle pusher and I think that's like some type of a razor as well. So multiple nail files. It also has like a pair of tweezers in that wooden tool that you use. So these are a tweezer. I don't know what this is called. I'm not a professional nail person, but and it also comes with a couple of these like toothpick looking sticks, but I think these are to like also assist with pushing back your cuticle. And of course, if you have some other tools, this will definitely be like a great addition. It comes with a nail clipper. This is an essential tool. What else? Oh, some cuticle oil. This is a great find. And then I didn't even get to the whole kit and caboodle of the whole thing. So we obviously have the power cord here and some jewels. It also comes with nail tips. So if you want to do French or, nail guides or whatever, not nail tips, nail guides. But this is the kit and caboodle, y'all. Look at all of these colors. This is a great deal. I'm not even kidding just because, I'm making the video. Like, seriously, this is a great deal for the price. So right now, what I'm going to do is plug in this UV light and put it to the ultimate test so we can see how well it dries. But this cord is not very long, so give me just a second, y'all. Okay, y'all, the cord is not very long, so I had to end up plugging it into my vanity over here, which is where this is like my vanity slash workstation. But what I'm going to do at this time, we're going to start with the base coat and test this light, this LED light dryer. And as you can see, I'm due for a fill, but this would be a perfect canvas to kind of test this machine here. So this is a base coat, just a very light base coat. Okay. And you see all of the variety of colors. So okay, y'all, I am impressed. Okay, I only did it for 30 seconds. It does feel a little tacky, but remember, this is the base coat. So instead of me stopping the video this time, I'm going to let the video go in real time. Again, I will leave these here so you can check out all of the colors. But since I put a base coat, let's go ahead and just put on a random coat here. No rhyme or reason why I chose this one. I just picked up one. And you know that when you paint your gel nails, we usually do base coat, 2 coats of the color, whatever color we choose, and then 1 top coat. So we're going to put this to the ultimate test. I'm not going to stop the video this time. We're going to do it in real time. So you guys look at these colors, look at all the stuff that comes with it. Okay. And let me do this for 30 seconds and see how it goes. I put my whole hand in there because I want to make sure that this thumb light is hitting on the LED. I want to make sure it's as close as possible, especially for the demonstration sake of the video. But again, this light is very lightweight. It does come with a handle though, which is very cute, but it's so lightweight. It's not even a half a pound. And you know, like when you go to the nail shop, it's usually the bulky ones. So, okay, it's been 30 seconds. We're testing this together. Okay, a little tackiness. So I imagine you may need to go for 60 seconds. So I'm going to do another 30. So 60 seconds will probably do the trick, guys, which is usually what they do in the nail salon anyway. I was just trying to save time on the video, but let's go ahead and sacrifice another 60 seconds, and I think that's going to do the trick. Now, while I'm waiting here, I can tell you I do feel it getting like warm. It feels just like the ones at the nail shop. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Wow, it is. I think that's from earlier, but okay, it is still a little wet. But you guys, considering it's not like complete, like you can see here, it's not completely wet. So I probably should have gave it, considering this is not a nail shop, I probably should have gave it 90 seconds and that would have done the job. So it was just one little area here. And also too, this is my real nail that has not been cured with any adhesive or anything like that. So that could also be a factor as well. Because remember, gel goes on nails that have been prepared to receive gel. And this is my bare nail. So I do need a fill. So take that into consideration as well. Okay. So we're going to do just 1 top coat here. I'm going to do this glitter top coat just to play with it. We're just going to do it on the top on the nail that has been cured and ready to receive paint, because my real nail has not been treated or anything like that. It's time for a fill. So we're going to just do the top coat. 30 more seconds. So far, you guys, I mean, hey, I'm saying this is like a 9 out of 10 purchase for sure. And that's, honestly, I should go ahead and say 10 because for this to be such a lightweight thing, it goes up to 90 seconds. You guys, I can't reach that far over there. But it does go up to 90 seconds. So it has 30, 60, and 90 seconds. It automatically shuts off, as you can see. And again, when you go to the nail salon anyway, they just put it on like the indefinite setting until they take your hand out. So again, I don't see the real difference. I just hit the button again just to make sure it was good before I bring it over there. And also, I'm not even sitting my hand correctly. It's supposed to be like that. So that could make a difference as well. So it's been about 60 seconds now. Let's take a look. Y'all, 10. Absolutely. I'm not even, look at that. And then if I don't have any alcohol in here, but you know what to do. All my nail people know what to do. And then you put the cuticle oil. So yeah, guys, this is definitely worth the purchase. I like it. And again, don't mind that because that's just my real natural nail. It's time for a fill. These are good and shot right now. So yeah, guys, I'm going to be playing with this. I really like it. I'm going to be doing my own pedicure later. And depending on how it turns out, I will be posting pictures on my Amazon storefront. So yeah, I think this is a great purchase. And thank you for watching. Bye.